Jera line, a factory that do the fiber optic cable infrastructure. Significant part of our product range is suspension clamps. Key features are competitive price, tool-free installation, UV resistant materials, to 15 mm cable application range. For pole installation, prepare stainless steel band, buckles and strapping tool, along with suspension clamp. Insert the band with buckle into the hole as shown. Tighten the band with Jera strapping tool MBT4. Screw the nut, move the bolt, take out the polymer gasket. Put the fiber cable into the gasket, and insert it into the clamp, then tighten the screw. Mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Product automation provide the fair price. Wide range of tests, guarantee stable quality in our production operations. Welcome to contact us to have more details about suspension clamps for fiber optic cables and related products.